Bitcoin has entered a bearish territory after failing to find support above this 50 weighted moving average. Yes guys, unfortunately this weekly candle has closed below the 50 weighted moving average, which in the past price action has resulted in a very bearish move. So are we expecting another continuation just like from this past price action, or what to expect next? So today in this video we are going to talk about some very interesting scenarios lining up for Bitcoin. But first thing first, before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex and OKX, then definitely check the video description. Now first thing first, as we can see guys, this weekly candle has unfortunately closed below the 50 weighted moving average, and on my previous video I was very clear with you guys. If the price of Bitcoin closes the weekly candle below 50 weighted moving average, then we should prepare ourselves for another continuation here to the downside. I mean, price of Bitcoin failing to find support of this 50 weighted moving average could be preparing itself for another continuation back around this 40,000 before choosing an actual trend duration. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin closing the weekly below 50 weighted moving average has brought us inside this bearish territory, and now we should be extra careful because parallelly, after failing to find support above this 50 weighted moving average, the price also looks like following this dead cat bounce trading pattern, a bearish continuation pattern. And according to this bearish continuation pattern, you can see after this free fall, the price of Bitcoin had a relief rally, a dead cat bounce, just like from this price action. After this dead cat bounce, the price of Bitcoin started with this relief rally, 50% retracement. But since crypto is volatile, I showed you that 0.618 is also going to be looked as resistance, and now it is also resulting in another continuation here to the downside. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that since the price of Bitcoin has closed the weekly below 50 weighted moving average, now we should also monitor this dead cat bounce trading pattern, which is clearly showing us where the price for the coming days might be possibly hitting. I mean, price after this 0.618 retracement could be starting with another continuation here to the downside following this original trend direction. And we are aware, beside the resistance from this 0.618 Fibonacci line, we also had resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, because in the past price action we found out whenever this Williams alligator indicator has started to form a bearish crossover, blue line appearing at the top, green line at the bottom, it has resulted in a bearish move. But during this bullish rally, this same trend line also rejected us. You can see each and every relief rally around this Williams alligator during downtrend has resulted in a bearish move. So same thing is expected to happen in our case as well. So since the price has failed to find support over the 50 weighted moving average, now we are also expecting another continuation like this to play out. Price getting attracted around 40 to 50,000 in between that range before finding bottom, before starting with an actual bullish move, because we know we are also not just only below the Williams alligator indicator, not just only below the 0.618 Fibonacci line, but we are also below this monthly CPI line, and failing to find support above this 50 weighted moving average means the price for the coming days could be also heading towards this monthly S1 line, and in the worst case even up to the monthly S2 line for this month of August. Yes guys, if you look at this monthly S2 target, it sits around 46,000. So this line here will be attracting us because the price has failed to find support above this 50 weighted moving average. And we are also aware guys, if it fails to regain its trend above this CPI line, then you know what's going to happen. The next month CPI is going to be an descending CPI, and descending CPI only gets formed during downtrend. So in our case, the September month will be also turning bearish if the price fails to regain its trend above 63,000. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that before we look for another bullish opportunity, first there is a very high probability of price getting attracted towards this key trend line, because each and every rally ended up testing this falling trend line. You can see each and every time whenever we fail to find support above certain line of resistance, it resulted in a bearish move. So in our case, this here could be also resulting in another continuation, price getting attracted back towards this falling trend line before looking for any opportunity. So you can see price failing to find support over this 50 weighted has started with a bearish move for Bitcoin. And I personally think unless something unexpected happens, these bullish scenarios are going to get invalidated. I mean, even if the price starts showing bullishness, first I'm actually expecting a move like this to play out. I mean, price getting attracted towards this lower trend line, and only after that show another continuation like this. So that's why, guys, that's why the bullish scenario which I showed you on my video has been invalidated after the price failing to find support above this 50 weighted moving average. So please do not over leverage yourself, use proper risk management and also proper position size before jumping into any trade. So guys, this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these bonuses from Bybit, Phemex and OKX, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.